Hi, I'm Julie. I work for Compass Business Finance. I'm the head of finance and business support. We had good systems in place, but they were predominantly Excel-based spreadsheets. And the projection and growth that we wanted within the company, there's only so much you can do with that. With the growth that we wanted as a business, looking at the Lendscape system would bring us that efficiency, less duplication, and take us where we wanted to be. You know your systems before, you know where everything is, and probably for the first 3 to 6 months of it, I ran both systems simultaneously. But the more I got involved in using the Lendscape system, the benefits that we saw from that and the accuracy with it versus the length of time that was taking me to keep the old systems up to date. Soon the old systems were put aside and Lendscape is now the source of it all. Generally, for most people using Lendscape, we've all commented on how much time it saves us all. In terms of the audit process, it has simplified the whole process for us as a company. We've had compliments actually on the data that has been provided to our auditors. They absolutely love it. For me personally, from a time point of view, it has saved me hours of time using the system versus what I used to do when you've had to look on 3 or 4 different spreadsheets and you have them open versus going on to one system and clicking on the tabs. For me, it was a game changer for me personally in my role. When we onboard new staff, showing them the system, getting them onto the systems as well as showing them the systems has made it a lot easier for the whole team to adapt as well. The feedback has absolutely been, wow, you know, it makes it so easy. It has made our life easy. Is that all we have to do? Has been one of the comments I've had. So really it's just a straightforward system. We are continually looking at growth in staff, in the business, and we feel that the system that we've got in place enables us to continue with that.